Welcome. This is how to replace CPU. So guys, first is just simply go ahead and shut off your PC, unplug it, and after that, remove the side panel for access. Now, just simply remove the cooler, disconnect the fan cable, unscrew or unclip the CPU cooler and lift it off gently. And after that, remove the old CPU, unlock the CPU socket lever, and carefully lift the old CPU straight up. And remember that don't force it. And after that, just simply install the new CPU, align the golden triangle on the CPU with the triangle on the socket, and gently place it in. And there will be no pressure needed. Then lock the lever back down. And after that, you could just simply apply thermal paste, add a pea-sized dot of paste in the center of the CPU. And after that, just simply mount the cooler back on evenly and reconnect the fan cable and just simply reassemble everything up. And you could just simply power it on and it will enter BIOS and check if the new CPU is recognized. And some pro tip for you, always update your motherboard BIOS before swapping to a newer CPU for compatibility. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.